Alright, peep. Yo, you're showing us something I shouldn't even show you this in about. Yo, me have to look off of the pride and show. I be a throat, me have vomit, peep. Anybody, anyway. I'm a vegetarian. See? But me I do some hard workout at the gym. I feel weak, me know my body needs some protein and thing. Cause I don't really have the type of protein I use substitute for the meat. Cause I don't know how the whole protein and meat stay there. All they can find the protein will give you the same protein with the meat give you. So I say yo, I'm gonna buy a box food this morning for my breakfast, yo. And everything I go so well in yo until I go back up on this year at a restaurant. I'm not even call the name yet. Cause I can't go back around there. This is a full head, you know. Could it full head with all the it's like a rooster like with all the comb on top of my head and just throw it in the pot same with all the full mouth, the beak and everything. Could it people can't so wicked people. I what them look out for queer. You see it? Come like all the full yai. Stew chicken me buy at the restaurant. A matter of fact, I can call the name car. You know, it's a restaurant around a Oak Plaza in a Portmore, right side of the e-service, the call center there, so. Right at the, for all the people them who know me at all, coming from KFC up there, so. Go down there, go down to Nagwed. That little plaza there, where on your left hand side, we have a restaurant. And a wholesale, like this I'm bite. See it here? I don't even remember them name good. But when I go back around and I get them name, I share it to the people. Avoid a restaurant here. I want them sitting here, them people that cook the people. Queer. Full head with all the comb. With all the comb peeps. See there? See comb there? I vomit. A beer vomit, I vomit for my seed. Cause the food never bother me. Even though me a vegetarian. But for me see this a comb here. For me see this a queer. For me see this a beer vomit, me a vomit people. Could they? See all the mouth there? The people them do it same way. Same way peeps. What is that people them a look out for the people?